whenever in Vada Kapha Avastha, we will be selecting Balladagam. Ugguladitam contains Balladagam. Varunadi contains Balladagam. Dhanvantaram contains Balladagam. Narasimham contains Balladagam. Kankayanam contains Balladagam. Vagashalam contains Balladagam. Saptasamagudiya contains Balladagam. Whenever there is Balladagam, Ushna Jalam is contraindicated. The milk, cold, boiled and cold milk, or Jalam is indicated. Once you write Dhanvantara Gridam, Krishapramiki, diabetic neuropathy, you will be giving Dhanvantara Gridam with Abraga Sandhuram, and you will be giving Madhudailiga Vasti or a Vada Prame, whereas the Trigantagadi Gridam, Dhanvantara Gridam, Dadimadi Gridam of Vaishyaratnavali, Mahadadimadi Gridam, all these things are told. So you should know that Upadikam, Dhanvantaram, Varunadi, they contains Balladagam before you write. Tailam. Karpasasthadi Tailam. Punyaga Tailam. For Vada Kapha, Punyaga Tailam is very good. Dadi is the yoni. From Dadi, you select Grida. The antidote of Grida is Tak. One yoni, one Snegadravya, one Rukshadravya. Takravanam is given before Snegavanam and after Snegavanam. Vyavat. So, what are all the medicines that are given for Snega? I think Vyavat. Like Arishtam, Asavam, Pippali, Yamagam, Kodravam, Shilajat, Uggulu, Takram. They are all having low glycemic index. In fatty liver, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, these are all given as medicines. So fatty liver is a self-created Snega Vyavat. It is a self-created Snega Vyavat. So whatever is told in Snega Vyavat, that can be tried for fatty liver and metabolic syndrome. So, Punyagam, Thailam, Thilam is the yoni. From the Thilam, you select Thailam. You bring Thailam, which is Snigdha, Vada Kaphagaram in nature. The opposite of the water that being extracted out, that which remains, is Punyaga. Punyaga is the Ruksha. Punyagam is the antidote for Thaila. Takram is the antidote for Krita. One yoni, two dravyas with two different gunas. Only Ayurvedically it is possible. So Jirna Punyaga Tailam is available. The best Vada Kaphagara in Panchamula Kashaya, Sakataradi and Prasaranyadi. There are so many Prasaranyadis. Prasaranyadi, what you should think. Prasaranyadi told in Ashtangaritya Vada Vyadi, which is Vada Kaphagara Ushna Brahman in nature. That Prasaranyadi only we are using. There are 13 Masha Dailas, 19 Prasaranyadi Dailas, Gunarnavadi, 2 yogas are there. So you should know what yogam. Very important. That is why I tell the students, learn 30 yogas and by heart the 30 yogas and make that 30 yogas. And Thalam. Ushnena Kobam. Due to Ushna, Kapha Vilayanam takes place. Idena Yuktaha Snigdadyaha Kurvanti Sleshmena Sanchayam. So we give Thalam. Thalam is not just in every procedure. It is very specifically needed. And Panchasnegam Kodambu. Panchasnegam for Abhavagam, whenever there is wasting due to cervical myelopathy or cervical radiculopathy, there is wasting of sternomastoid, trapezius, latissimus dorsi. Panchasnegam Kodambu is needed. Varaga Vasa is added in that. Prabhanjanam is Ushna Brahmanam. Prasaranyadi is Ushna Brahmanam. So you should know. Ushnam, Ushna Brahmanam. Shidam, Shida Brahmanam. Sanjupadi, Chinchadi, Vishagarbham, Vishyamushti are Ushnam. Prabhanjanam, Mashadailam, Arpasasyadi are Ushna Brahmanam. Chandanadi is Shidam. Adhishtyadi, Kshirabala, Narayanam, Mahanarayanam, or Shida Vadashini Dailam. Vadashini Dailam, which contains 50% Sadavari, Madarasam, Shida Viriam, Snigdagunam. They are Shida Brahmanam in nature. So, Shida Brahmanam comes in Dadukshaya Avastha. Ushnam comes in Avarana Avastha. All the human lesions are Avarana in nature. All the elemental lesions are Dadukshaya in nature. Rasna is Vadagaram. Bala is Vadagaram. Rasna is Tikta Kadurasam. Ushna Viryam. Afanabandha Vadam. Rasa. Bala is Madrarasam, Madraubhagam, Sita Viryam, Snigta Gunam. Pittanabandha Vadam. Bala. So in acute phase Rasana, chronic phase Phala. In acute phase, you will be selecting Sindhuvaram, Lashunam, Chitrakam, Guggulu. But in chronic phase, Dadukshaya phase, element phase, you will be selecting Eshtimadu, Vidhari, Hanvandaram, Phala, Adibala, Kadavari, Gokshura, Tiram, Gridam, Purnam, Purna Chandrodayam, etc. That is the logic behind. So, Avaranam, Dadukshayam are seen in everyday acute disc prolapse. This Avaranam, once it becomes degenerative spondylopathy, it becomes Dadukshaya. Pinchadi Dailam contains Shigru, Sarjarasa, Kundirikam, Panchalavanam. Sarvangavadam, it is given. Then Swedanam, Nichuladi Churnam, Gragadumadi Churnam, Tangaradam, Uttarasthanam, Mugarovadhyayam, Neer Kadambu, in Tamil, Nichulam, made by one or two companies. Contains Mahaushadam, Chukku, Vasambu, Devadaru, Tanti, Murua, etc. So labum is applied first, followed by Nadi Svedam with Varnadikashayam, then Karpa Sastyadi, Uttama Matra Nasyam, 10 drops, then Kavalam, then Dhumavarti, stabilization of neck. Unwanted manipulation should be avoided. And easily, these conditions, due to God's grace, very few cases in last 22 years of practice, 2 or 3 surgeries of cervical disc prolapse only I have seen. All other conditions are successfully managed with Ayurveda. Lumbar turn sometimes cauda equina may end up in surgery. Cervical success rate is more than lumbar. Ayasegam, Natsim, Shirovasti. Shirovasti should come in the end. Usually morning in our hospital, 5:30 Vamanam, 8:30 Virejanam, 11 o'clock Kashayavasti, 5:45 Shirovasti. That is the almost standard protocol we follow. Cervical myelopathy is a form of myelopathy that involves compression of the spinal cord in the cervical spine. Cervical myelopathy, one may feel in the neck, the other may feel elsewhere in the body. Neck pain, stiffness, reduced range of motion, compression of the cord by disc prolapse, weakness of legs, unsteady gait, spastic gait. You see the sagittal view, you see the compression of the cord with a tumor, and weakness of arms. After giving Rasana, Shuntyadi, Nasya, everything, the treatment, the ending phase, when there is Agni Bala, you can give Prasaranyadi Kshira Kashaya. Many people start with Prasaranyadi. It is a Guru Yoga, Kshira Yukta Yoga. So you cannot start with a Guru Yoga. You can end with the Guru Yoga. Prasaranyadi should come in the end, not in the first. First phase should go for Rasana, Shuntyadi, Varunadi. What about Rasana, Saptakam? It is also Vada Kapakaram Bhushanam in nature. But the sthanam is Trikam. When there is sacroiliitis Asana Saptakam with Sundi Prakshepam can be given. Cervical spondylotic myelopathy, very common after the age of 50. They advise surgery, but Ayurvedically we can manage this condition very well. You see this view. Whenever you write a cervical spine, you write MRI cervical spine, screen brain, and do sagittal view of the whole spine so that you can rule out thoracic myelopathy and lumbar myelopathy. You take a sagittal view of the whole spine, and you can see the ligamentum getting ossifications. These can be very well managed. Cervical myelopathy can also be produced by ossification, hardening of ligaments are surrounding the spinal cord, such as OPLL, ossification of posterior longitudinal ligament and ligamentum flavum. See this ossification in the X-ray. Ossification of posterior longitudinal ligament, OPLL. Rheumatoid arthritis can produce whiplash injury, can produce some infections, can produce spinal tumors and cancers can produce. But the discogenic spondylotic myelopathy is very well managed by doing Ruksha Kriya first, then Sneha Kriya, then Nasya, then Uttara Bhakti, the Grita Prayoga, then Shirovasti. Most of the cases, if you concentrate on this, you see the classical cervical myelopathy in the sagittal view. Sometimes incidentally you find a syringe. Incidental syringe, you need not worry. But if there is a change in pain and temperature, you should worry. So in cervical myelopathy, Patradharvadi, Ashtavargam, Rashonam Karavi Krishna Sthira, Udavartam, very important in neurology. Stroke is nothing but untreated Udavarta. Parkinson is untreated Udavarta, treated. Parkinson is the manifestation of untreated Udavarta. Udavartam is a very broad spectrum of disease. All reflex sympathetic dystrophy. Udavartam, always you should give importance to read Udavartam and Vegas, clinical practice. And in Prasupti, Namba neuropathy, Tundi Bala Adibala, Tundi Bala Dikashayam, Gandharvastha Dikashayam. After giving all Tikta Kadrasa, Ushnavirya, Pramadya Uttadas, Madhura Rasa Pradhanya Uttada, like Vitaryadi, Prasaranyadi, comes in the end. So you start with Avarana, end with Vadakshaya. The treatment for Vada should end in Madhura Rasa, Snigdha Guna, and in Brahmana. That is why in Vasti, Utkleshanam, Doshagaram, Shamanam. The last Vasti is always Snegavasti. Snegavasti is for Vada. So the last Vasti is Snegavasti. First Vasti is Snegavasti. Middle Vasti is Nirugavasti. Rasa Rajeshwara Rasam, Yaganga Veera Rasam are also very useful, which are Vada Kapagara in nature. We can always complement mainstream therapy with the Rasa Aushadas. Asnadi Churnam, 50% is Gairikam. Sudarsanam contains Ankshi. Yatyadi contains Tuttam. Tundipilyadi contains Gauri Pashanam. So they are in Kerala also. Swasanandamvadi contains Rasa Aushada. Surya Prabha, Rasa Aushada. Vettumaran Guliga, febrile fits. Vettumaran. Maran. Vettu means febrile fits. In children, fever will produce fits. There you will be giving Vettumaran. Sanskrit version of Vetumaran is Ananda Bhairava. Almost same. Very meager difference. வரமாட்டாங்கிறது. Brachial neuralgia, Narasimha Gridam, Alladaka Gridam, available in the market. Narasimha Gridam, Narasimha Churnam, told in Chakratatta, Rasayana Prakarana, Brigatvada Chintamani, moderately effective. We cannot exaggerate so much. Rasa Ushadas. Purna Chandrodayam is Madhura Rasa Pradhanya. It can be supplemented. Nowadays, we have good doctors. We have good diagnostic skills. But we don't get good medicines. Gandharvastadi is not producing anulomanam. What will you do? The Agni Deepanam, Anulomanam should happen. Gandharvastadi is not producing that much result when we buy. So that is the greatest difficulty I am facing now. There is no problem with the diagnosis. There is no problem with the patients. Medicines, when we give, the pramanam what we tell, not materialized. That is the greatest difficulty after seeing lakhs of cases last 23 years. I think we need medicine. I started studying Siddha medicine only for the purpose of medicines. Herbs that are commonly available to be converted into medicine. Now you have carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome, the median nerve is compressed by carpal bone and flexor retinaculum, and you have numbness in the thumb and in the index finger. If you press here, there will be tingling sensation, which is called a tunnel sign. Vishwasi spectrum of disorder. So it's commonly seen in hypothyroidism and in rheumatoid arthritis. Agnigarmam, very useful. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a woman's disease. Hepatitis strain injury. Diabetes is very commonly seen. Rheumatoid, it is seen. Certain drugs that are used to treat breast cancer, they produce that. You have dorsal tunnel syndrome in the leg, cubital tunnel syndrome. Ulnar nerve is compressed. They are Rujagara marmas. Ulfedo, Manipantedo, Vede, Kurchisiramsiche. Rujagarani Janiyad Ashtovamsidi. Whenever there is Rujagara marmam, you can touch the marma therapy, selecting Dhanvandaram, Nagaradi, Murivanna, Ayathirimeni, Muttapattu. All these things, you touch the marma therapy. At the same time, you can do Avavagam Vishwasi Chikitsa also. History of symptoms, physical examination. EMG is not basically needed. Nerve conduction is also not needed. Clinically, you can diagnose. Dorsal tunnel syndrome is a condition in which tibial nerve is compressed. It will lead to numbness, tingling, weakness, muscle damage. The form of peripheral neuropathy. Munimbadi Churnam. Munimba Nimba Trifala Patmakati Uchakana. Pushtamega Prasutinam Paramam Syada Tadaushadam. So Samkhya Stabana Ganam, Vedana Stabana Ganam. Is there any Gana for sustaining Vedana in the body? Vedana is Parsha Jnanam. Where Vedana means sensation, not pain. It denotes the whole posterior column. Whenever there is a problem of posterior column, The word Vedana is. So Vedana Sthavana Gana Arkam, one of my student is doing in pain management. Pain management is very difficult in Ayurveda. Rasana Sattakam. Rasana Sattakam is Vada Kapakaram Ushnam. Trika Visheshatvam. Rasana Panchakam. Vada Kapakaram Ushnam. Dhadu Visheshatvam. Maharasnadi. Vada Kapakaram Ushnam. Kinjit Brahmanam. Kinjit Mutralam. Yoni Shripada Visheshatvam. Praksheba Anubana Visheshatvam. Tanvantram and Prasaranyadi comes in the end because they are Madhura Rasa Gurguna nature. Maharasnadi, Ras given in Sarvangavada, Appavadam, Parkinson's disease, Parkinsonism, Parkinson plus, all the infarctions are, we are going to talk about it, we have only just started. Neurology, Vada Kapam is infarction, Pitta Vadam, hemorrhage. That is why in Mahamanjishtadi, the word Pakshagadam is mentioned. Mahamanjishtadi says Tiktarasam, Sideviryam, Rukshagunam, Pittasamanam, Kapasamana Ushada. Why should they mention Pakshagadam? Because it is a Pitta Pakshagadam. That is Saparkanoid hemorrhage, where we will be giving Jaladara. Manjishtadi, Punarnavadi Kashayam, followed by Kiravasti. Pavagu, Girdrasi, Amavadam. The word Amavadam, even though not told in Ashtanga Hridaya, even in Desamula Haridagi, the word Amavadam Palasrudi is there. Amlabittam Palasrudi is there. Amlabittam is not a separate chapter in Ashtanga Hridaya. In Desamula Haridagi, the word Amlabittam is there. Krishna Shodam, varicose scrotum, mentioned in Desamula Haridagi. So many things are there. Shunti, Pipli, Ajamoda Churnam, Karantadayalam, Yogarajam are the Praksheba Dravyas of Maharasnadi. You should be thorough. Manya Stambam. Many people tell Manya, a cervical spondylosis. Nila Manya or Siramarmas. It denotes carotid atherosclerosis, not the cervical spondylosis. But Manya Stambam spectrum includes brachial neuralgia, radiculopathy, myelopathy, thoracic outlet, cervical drip, cervical myalgia, all these things. Panchadikta Gugulu, Nyaga Dailam, Prasaranyadi Dailam, Prapanjanam Dailam, all these things are there. Tanabandam Abhigadatam is there. Urivanna can be selected. Uppukiri can be given for carpal tunnel syndrome. Kinigarmam is very important kriya for carpal tunnel. I will continue to take classes. We have only just started. Dementia is there, MND is there, multiple sclerosis is there. Most of the Graha Rogas in Bala Rogas are nothing but demyelination and fits, t-shirts. Most of the Graha Rogas are learning disability disorders, t-shirts, and some infective pathologies. That also has to be taught. Sakaja Unmadam, autism spectrum of disorders, very commonly seen. Alzheimer's, Lewy body dementia, multi-infarct dementia, Shy-Drager syndrome, which is very commonly seen in Ayurvedic practice. Parkinson plus disease, also many things. Then coming to cerebellar diseases, posterior circulation stroke, various forms of stroke. Stroke depends on, recovery depends on site of lesion and intensity of lesion.